Kublai shibun parlok kib ju sotonan ban peja kaneka video hakaneka channel. Bat mentah hakaneka video ngan ai ka jimentip ya kikam melap lai daka Jal Jeevan Mission JJM West Hill na benta kipus jong ki technical assistant. Te sawawan peja kaneka video hadu banakut kenang opinio ya ki detail bakamnya na benta kini kipus jong ki technical assistant. Te rada pidi iban kong buan peja kaneka video hakaneka channel sengawa ban ai like ya kaneka video bat kumjuru ban subscribe ya kaneka channel. Ka Jal Jeevan Mission West Kasihil District haka office jong ka superintending engineering PHE Western Circle Nongstong kom members category DWSM JJM West Kasihil District ka code application pan attend namta ka walk in interview namta ki push jong ki technical assistant. Pat katarik long interview kadai haka katwi 3 Oktober arjar arkulai. Te ka kerteng jong ka push kadai technical assistant ki nombor ki push ki belat ki don haduk saw teliki push. Pat karta ka fill up apply kadai kat kum ka government jong ka Meghalaya norms. Pat haka jinsiu ka balai phawajar haka shibnai. But ki essential qualification ki shim ya ki bala pendep ya ka BE BTech haka civil engineering lengba sistem ke experience haka water sector but process computer knowledge handling but management jongki data analysis. Te kumno ban apply. Te lada pikwa ban apply pila ban apply lengba ka standard application form but lengba ka up to date CV but arteli ki dur passport size color but lalang but ki original copy jongki certificate birth certificate education qualification working experience but kiwe. But pireru ban pendap ya u number phone but u email address u jongpi haka application form ke jongpi. But kajaka long interview kadai haka office jongka superintending engineer PHE Western Circle Nongstong but katarik long interview kadai haka katwoi 3 Oktober adar arpulai. Haka por kandash tengayam shaneng. Te tangini jimentip kublai shibun.